to all kadigma, welcome back for my channel. And for today's video, gagawa ko ng reaction kay Marie Lassen. This one is a latest video, so maybe you know her. She's a viral. She is married an Australian guy and he moved to the Philippines, so they are living in the ocean. So guys, napakasipag to sila guys. Ngayon, ang area ko, nagana sila nag-bartender ng iba't ibang product like fish, mga pagkain na simple pero napakayami. So hindi na natin patagalan, kaya watch.
Kahit ano, pwede pa barter! Basa! Isda, barter kayo dyan! Grabe si tatay. May nakahanda ng 1 bunch of banana.
Ang cute nila. Nakakaloka.
Ang ipalit po natin sa saging. Kilo 150 pesos. You see over there behind the tricycle? I can see a banana already.
Right ahead?
Yeah. Watch out for the motorbike.
Wow guys, marami na silang customer. There's a lot of customer. Wow, bago tong hindi sila nagbibinta, bali exchange na product sa fish nila na very fresh, galing talaga sa wow, amazing. Uy, Marie Lassen, pahingi ng fish. Charis. So, yun lang yung reaction ko sa kanya kasi nasubaybayan ko. I just watch her videos when she is in Australia before, and they're planning, that's why they moved to the Philippines because Australia is very expensive. The parents for her husband, Australian, can afford, but she said the attitude is different, so that's why they are working hard by themselves. And she's working in Australia as picking different kind of fruits. And here in the Philippines, guys, in one day, grabe yung maraming nanonood sa kanyang video. As in